Hello, everyone. I'm Michael Kerman from Leading Edge Seminars, and I'm here with the 8 most frequently asked questions about our Cancun program this coming February. We really appreciate these questions because it's helping us to understand what we need to tell you about so we're totally clear about what's going on and all our policies and everything else. So let's start off with question number 1. Our first category is our COVID policies. First, everyone who participates in our workshops needs to be fully vaccinated or have a letter about a medical exemption. Secondly, everyone who comes to our workshops needs to bring proof of an antigen or a PCR test taken within 72 hours of arrival in Mexico at our workshop, and proof of a negative test, of course. The hotel policies look quite good to us. They've been quite strict in first getting their staff vaccinated. They'll be 100% vaccinated by January 1st, and all their staff will be wearing masks. Our room for the workshops is quite a large ballroom with a 14-foot ceiling. That should help as well. And within the room, we will take whatever precautions necessary when it comes to February. We may have spacing of desks or chairs or whatever. We'll do whatever the best practice is at our workshops at the hotel. You can read about the hotel COVID policies, because there's a number of them, on our website, and we'll put that link up for you to see. Also, when you leave on the last day of your stay at the hotel, currently they're giving free antigen tests, which are currently what Americans require. And for Canadians right now, the PCR test is being required. This certainly may change even in the next few days. This is being recorded on November the 16th. So those tests will be available so you can get back into Canada or the United States. The second question is about our workshops. First, each week we have 2 or 3 workshops. You don't have to come for the whole month. Workshops are being held Monday to Friday from 9 to 12:30. They'll be in our large ballroom, as I said, on site on our property. Our next question is about the hotel and what's included in the room costs and what is an all-inclusive. Well, for one thing, once you book the room with us, you're at an all-inclusive resort. And so what's included in an all-inclusive resort? For one thing, all your meals and all your drinks. Almost everything is included, including entertainment options, activities that they provide. There are a few exceptions, like spa treatments. There is a spa, and if you don't like to treat yourself, that will cost a little bit more. So they do have 8 restaurants and a 24-hour snack bar, which I noticed has some wonderful ice cream options for people who know me. And there are 6 bars, indoors and outdoors. They'll be one of the places we'll be meeting every evening for our meet and greet or meet and mingle period. There's a 24-hour room service, so if you'd like to be eating on your balcony, that's also a possibility. Also, there's Wi-Fi in every room for up to 3 devices. There's no extra cost for that, of course. And if you're thinking about bringing kids, either little ones or teenagers, there are a couple of clubs for little ones and for teenagers. There's no extra charge. You can drop them off. They have trained staff who are Red Cross trained, as well as great activity people, and that's also included. So those are some of the things included, and you can look at their website for the full list of what's included in their all-inclusive options. Also, we are offering you to register on our website. And if you hadn't noticed, the price for double rooms is very good. Actually, if you bring a second person, their price is really about $50, from $50 a night more than the single rate. So it's a very reasonable rate if 2 people are coming together. The next question we have is, why this hotel? Well, we wanted to make sure we were at a great property because people are going to be together for a week. And what's this hotel like? So first, we checked out TripAdvisor, which has over 13,000 reviews for this particular hotel. with a 4.5 out of 5 average rating. So it looked very, very good in that way. Also, I had a look at some videos people made last winter and put on YouTube about their personal experience. These were people who were just staying in the hotels, and they showed their room, the restaurants, the facilities, and they had a lot of nice things to say about it. So that also encouraged me that this will be a great hotel to be at. It's run by a big American chain of resorts with a very good reputation, and that too helped. And in my communications with the people at the hotel, they've been very positive and very good. So we expect the hotel to really meet our needs. The next question is, what are our Paradise perks and how does it all work? Well, basically, in thinking about this week, we know everyone's together in the morning going to the workshops, but what about the rest of the time? I know, and you probably know too, that people like to be with people and have a great experience besides for activities in terms of ways to get together, to meet, to network. There'll be a lot of very interesting people at this resort with us in our programs. So what we decided to do is think about what's the whole experience like. So we're offering a few things on top of our workshops, and everyone who's attending the workshops can participate, as well as anyone they bring along who's their roommate, family, partner, friend, at no extra charge. These include daily yoga in the mornings, special events with our VIPs. We've invited each week very important persons. These are authors, musicians, and others we just think would be great to hang out with. They'll make some presentations or provide musical entertainment just for our group. We also going to have a daily meet and mingle before dinner, which of course is included, lots of restaurants to choose from. It's nice to meet others and just say, hey, you want to meet at this location, will most likely be an outside bar. You can grab a drink or whatever, and then this will be our areas to kind of meet and mingle and get together with anyone who would like to join us. So those are just some of the Paradise perks. Again, there's no extra charge for them, for you, if you're attending the workshop, or anyone you bring with you. Question number 5 we're receiving is, what are the room prices? Well, we tried to make them as clear as possible on our website. There are 4 different categories of rooms. Again, these are it's all-inclusive price. You pay the one price for the room, you get everything else. And you can check them out on our website. You can see the various room categories when you sign up for a workshop. And you can sign up for more than one workshop if you'd like to go for 2 weeks in a row, whatever, that's all possible as well. A question about how do I register? Well, again, check our website out. Right now, we're offering 1-week blocks, either Saturday to Saturday or Sunday to Sunday. But if you'd like to alter that, come early, leave or leave right after the workshop on Friday, extend your visit, whatever you'd like to do, that's all very possible. You just need to contact Margaret Pagliarulo, who's a travel agent who's working with us, and she can help you whenever alternative arrangements that you would like to make. So just contact Margaret, we'll put the number on the screen, and just give her a call. Another question we're having, especially in people who register, is how do I get to your hotel from the Cancun airport? Well, fortunately, our hotel is about 12 miles away to the south of the airport, not in the major Cancun area. And we are working with a travel company in the area. So for a very reasonable price, that would be $60 round trip, you can get from the airport to the hotel and back at the end of your stay. And someone will meet you at the exit area after you go through customs. They'll have a sign with your name on it. They'll take you to their vehicle and get you to the hotel really quickly. That's one easy way to do it. Now, there are many services because it's a very big airport with lots of possibilities with people looking for taxis or other things. So there are other ways to do it, but we'll be sending everyone a link to sign up for a personalized shuttle service in the coming months. Everyone will get to hear about that. Some other people are asking, what's the area like, the Mayan Riviera? Well, the Mayan Riviera, because of the amount of tourism and how the area has grown, offers many different options if you want to go out of the hotel. And we are working with a tour company to provide a few of these kind of travel options if you like to travel with members of our group. And these include things of archaeological interest, water parks. There are famous caves in Mexico called cenotes where you can go swim. There's many different things, and we're going to be offering some of these to just our group, and the hotel will have other options for all kinds of tours that you and your friends might be able to participate in it if you like. Anyway, those are some of the questions we've been getting, and you may have more, and we welcome all questions. And of course, we would welcome you to join us. I'm certainly looking forward to it. Our speakers are excited about being there. We should have some wonderful weeks in Cancun. Thanks for watching.